gentlemen, Namaste, Namaskar, ISPA Parivar. I'm your host Samrati Khandelwal and I'm so delighted to be here. Once again, I welcome all of you to the 20th Regional Meet 2025. We are celebrating our 20th anniversary and it is a great milestone achievement for all of us as a family. So come on everyone, let's begin with a celebratory thunderous applause for your entire family, for yourself, for all the love and support that you have shown us for the past 2 decades. The Indian Small Scale Paints Association, ISPA, was established in 1956 with just 7 founding members. Today, it has evolved into a formidable body representing more than 2,000 MSME paint manufacturers across India. Over the decades, ISPA has served as the trusted voice of the paint industry, addressing member concerns, strengthening industry-government relations, and enhancing public engagement. The 20th annual regional meet of the Eastern region is a proud milestone in this journey, symbolizing both the legacy of the past and the promise of a dynamic future. The presence of every delegate underscores the resilience and thriving spirit of our industry. So once again, thank you so much for being here. It is the lamp lighting ceremony and of course we know lamp light is the symbol of knowledge, is the symbol of positivity and a new beginning. So let's begin and I'd like to invite Sabse Pehle on the dais with a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, our very own President Saab, ISPA, Shri Vijay Dagli sir. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye, Shri welcome sir on the dais. Followed with Shri Harshvardhan Rungta sir, our Chairman of ISPA. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye, Swagat ji. We also love to invite our past Chairman, Shri Utpal Biswas, Shri Manmohan Kedia, Shri Sujit Kumar Modi, Shri Siddharth Kapoor and Shri Ranjan Chakraborty. So ladies and gentlemen, yes, it is that exciting moment. We are all set to do the lucky draw. We move on to our next session and this time, ladies and gentlemen, our topic is binders for paints and coatings and it is going to be presented by Shubham Oils and Racing Private Limited. They are also our co-sponsor. So a little bit about the company. A company honoring a proud legacy of commitment and excellence, Shubham Oils and Resins Private Limited has been a trusted force in the resin industry for over 30 years. Recognized as a 2-star export house with presence in over 10 countries and 2024 sales revenue of more than $10 million, the company has a robust portfolio of 50+ products ranging and strategically positioned warehouse across India. Today, to shed more light on company's innovation and expansion plan, we now like to invite on stage Mr. Shubham Modi. Look at the person sitting next to you, shake your hands and congratulate each other. Come on, let's do it. Feng Shui positivity towards it. I think this is going to bring you a great loads of wisdom and a lot of great success in your business ahead. Hi, how sweet. Thank you so much. We have the final winner of the day. Yes, 75. मुझे लग रहा है इस टीम में बैठ के आपकी सक्सेस की जर्नी फिर से दोबारा शुरू होने वाला है. What's it? How lovely. Okay, everybody please put your hands together. Congratulations to you. All the best. As we all know, some journeys inspire generations. Tonight, we are about to honor an individual whose mission, dedication and contribution have not only shaped the industry but also created a legacy that will be remembered for years to come. It is our privilege to present the Lifetime Achievement Award to Mr. Sanjay Kumar Datta, Managing Director of Zen Polo Paints. Over 42 years of leadership built on innovation, ingenuity and excellence in the paints industry. A graduate in business management and law from Calcutta University, he has been actively involved in social service and community work through various leading organizations can happen without a cake cutting ceremony. So we are going to have the cake cutting, but before that, I'd like to invite the entire proud and successful committee team, all the members, to please join on the stage. We are going to get this stage ready with one of the finest instrumental bands performers from the city of joy, Kolkata, and trust me, you're going to have a beautiful musical celebration with Hamlin tonight.